Good afternoon, dear viewers. Today I shall show you the solution of a problem which is written here. The problem is find the number of point BC lying on the circle. The equation of the circle is given here, x square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to 8, such that the quadratic equation t square plus bt plus c equal to 0 has real roots. Subject to the condition, we have to find out the number of points BC which is lying on the circle. This is the condition. The condition is the quadratic equation t square plus bt plus c equal to 0 has real roots. Now, let us begin. Now, we write down the condition is b square t square plus bt plus c equal to 0 has real roots. We have already known the condition of a quadratic equation has real roots is that its discriminant must be greater or equal to 0. If a quadratic equation's discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac greater or equal to 0, then the quadratic equation has real roots. So, this is the condition for real root of a quadratic equation. The condition is its discriminant must be greater or equal to 0. So, discriminant, here the discriminant which is b square minus 4ac, that is b square minus 4ac, a is 1, c, that is 4 into 1 into c, that is 4c greater equal to 0. This is the condition for real roots of a quadratic equation. Now, again we write down the equation of the circle. The equation of circle of the circle is x square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to 8, and also the point BC is lying on this circle. BC is lying on this circle. BC is a point which is lying on the circle. So, this will satisfy the equation of the circle. So, we can write b square, x is b and y is c, that is c minus 3 whole square equal to 8, that is b square plus c square minus 6c plus 9 equal to 8. This is, and also we write b square c square minus 6c plus 1 equal to 0. Now, we have got b square minus 4ac greater equal to 0, b square minus 4c greater equal to 0, that is b square greater equal to 4c. If we add the expression c square minus 6c plus 1 with both sides of the inequality, if we add the expression c square minus 6c plus 1 with the both side of this inequality, that is b square greater equal to 4c, we get b square plus c square minus 4c minus 4c minus 6c plus 1 greater equal to c square minus 6c plus 1 plus 4c. We have added the term the expression c square minus 6c plus 1 with the both sides of the inequality b square greater or equal to 4c, we have got this result. That is, we can put in the left hand side of this inequality as 0, because b square plus c square minus 6c plus 1 equal to 0. So, it is 0, that is 0 greater equal to c square minus 2c plus 1, which is c minus 1 whole square, that is c minus 1 whole square less equal to 0. Now, in this inequality, left hand side is a perfect square. We know all perfect square always non-negative, that is greater or equal to 0. So, only equality holds in this inequality, only equality holds for this inequality. So, only c minus 1 whole square equals 0, but not less than 0, because c minus 1 whole square is a perfect square. We have already known that any perfect square cannot be negative, that is perfect square always greater or equal to 0. So, here only equality holds, that is c minus 1, this implies c minus 1 whole square equal to 0, that is c equal to 1. Now, we have got c equal to 1, and also we can put c equal to 1 in this equation, that is b square plus c square minus 6c plus 1 equal to 0, where c equal to 1. So, we have b square plus 1 minus 6 into 1 plus 1 equal to 0, that is b square minus 4 equal to 0. So, b square equal to 4, that is, which implies b equal to plus minus 2, b equal to plus minus 2. So, we have got two values of BC. So, we have got two values. So, we have got two values of BC, that is number of points BC lying on the circle is 2, that is. So, we have got two values of BC which are plus 2, C is 1 and minus 2 and minus 2 1. So, number of points is 2. So, number of points is 2. So, we have found out the number of points BC which is lying on the circle x square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to 8. Thanks so much. I shall meet you next day with such interesting problem.